What are you doing today?
Doing trend boards for our purses for spring and fall.
Uh-huh.
So right now I'm working on the spring and organizing it by color.
This is actually the first time you're really working on concept boards, isn't it?
Yeah,
And so how do you find it?
I think it's fun.
What do you have to think about?
You have to think about color and concepts. Like, for example, these are stripes, so anything that's stripe or color blocked is going to go in this section. Anything that's denim is going to go in the bottom section. Anything that's flower or that's clear is going to go on the right-hand side. Well, my right-hand side.
Mm-hmm. Good. Good job. So, Francis, conceptual time of fashion designing. It's always the fun part, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. So, everybody, here we are today. This is what we're doing. Sometimes we're so busy here. 111. Ciao.